So, hello lovely people, this is Boss Ben here from Ghana, and this afternoon I want to give you my personal review on our new baby called Miralife. I've personally used the products, and these are the few things that I saw when using the products. It tastes very nice, number one. It smells very good. It's lighter, and for that matter, when you put it under your tongue, it melts faster. One thing that I also realized was that it gives you a lot of energy within the day, and I believe this product is going to make a lot of waves all over the country and globally. I believe with this product, a lot of people are going to see lights in our business and are going to see lights in the product. Thank you and have a lovely day.